Now I would like Nisha to introduce our guest.
Nisha, you're not audible. Nisha, the mic.
I think she is not audible. I would like to continue. So we welcome our honorable chief guest of the day, Mr. Lokesh Mata. Sir is responsible for ITA training business development in South Asia region. Sir is an executive management graduate from IIM Lucknow, MBA from IGNOU and bachelor's degree from Delhi University. Prior to joining ITA, Lokesh Sir was heading airline marketing and air cargo business divisions of Bangalore International Airport Limited. He has a vast aviation experience. The year 2020 is his 21st year of serving the industry. He has also been employed with GMR Group, Delhi's International Airports Commercial Division. Now, I would request Sir to please come and share his views. Over to you, Sir.
Thank you so much. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Good morning, everyone, and thank you to the management of UPS for inviting IATA and be the
Good morning,
partner.
Lokesh.
Good morning, sir. And we thank you being for the partners for the UDAN, the Elite Aviation Forum's e-Carnival. We are much more delighted to be part of this wonderful association. So we would have a detailed presentation by my colleague Craig Astridge, but I would quickly walk you through about the IATA and the UPS partnership. So I have two slides to share, and then probably we can have a quick round of discussion. Is my slideshow visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So thank you so much. We are delighted to be, again, as mentioned, delighted to be part of this event. As I take care of IATA UPS partnership, we are much more delighted to have UPS as one of our top performing partner worldwide. It's a great honor. And the team which we have been working, we have been putting a lot of effort to bring the IATA in a much more larger fashion in the university. So I just wanted to share about the IATA UPS benefit of partnership. So IATA provides the globally recognized certificates and diplomas. Our responsibility is to provide complete training material from the subject matter experts, and the more important, the flexible and pre-scheduled online examination options to the students. Previously, we were doing the paper exam, but after this September 2020, all the exams now have migrated to the online examinations options, which are much more convenient and flexible from the perspective of the student and the university. UPS is a part of the strongest brand in the aviation and related industries. The college provides qualified instructor. In fact, I would like to stop here and spend some time in the quality instructions and the instructor. All the instructors have gone through a special training organized in Singapore. The instructors from UPS travel to Singapore to get the special trainings, and then they have the subject matter experts. We have also seen they have a vast industry experience, and also they've done the similar courses which they're imparting to the students in UPS, which is a great association. Of course, the excellent infrastructure. I've been had the opportunity to visit the campus a couple of times, and I was really mesmerized. And the best part of this association is that the college brings the industry experience as well as part of the guest lectures, faculties, industrial visits, which is something of really of international class. And the most important thing, supplying qualified and job ready professionals. So this is what I really wanted to touch upon on the benefits of this partnership to each and every student in this present in this session. I will take a minute to discuss about my experience as an IATA student. I started my IATA course way back in 1999, and once I completed it, the world was the opportunity started coming in. So I never applied for opportunities. I always got an opportunity to work in various organizations. So I started with a travel agency, moved to an hotel, to an airline, to airport, from hop to one airport to another airport, and then representing the IATA training. So the message is that once I completed my IATA course, the variety of opportunities started coming on my way. And I was always given a much higher opportunities because I was carrying a certificate of international and a global recognition. So that was something which was really great for me when I did this. So I'm again thank the management of UPS to inviting us and to speak at this. I wish everyone all the very best. I know we're a little behind schedule, but thank you so much, and over to you.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your profound knowledge. Now, I would like to welcome Dr. Neeraj Anand, Professor of eCarnival and HOD of Department of Transportation Management. Sir has a vast experience of 24 years in education sector and 3 years in the industry. He has also CA Dean. He is passionate about career counseling and mentoring students. He has been awarded PhD in management in 2003. Sir is a Master of Business Administration with specialization in marketing and bachelor's in civil engineering. I would request Sir to brief us about the 9th edition of our Vayuvek magazine. Over to you, sir. Sir, Mike.
Yeah, good morning, Pranita.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you for the opportunity. Congratulations to Mr. Mohit and his team, Ms. Bharti, my colleague Raju and others, those who have made it possible to make this event happen. I think we are continuing the tradition of Udaan. We started in 2012. So I am proud to be the HOD of this department, where I think I can see the excitement among the students, despite of being online. I think for last one semester almost now, starting from mid-March to October, I think they have not lost the energy. Rather, they are finding innovative ways that how they can connect the audience better. And I'm happy to see the alumni. I think Ms. Surbi as well as Mr. Sai Santosh, those who have been kind enough to spare their time for their sessions today. I'll not take more time because I think our chief guest, Mr. Greg, is waiting for his session. So I would like to welcome the entire audience, all MBA, BBA, aviation students, and all those other participants who have joined this, along with the faculty members. Also would like to welcome Dr. Geeta, Dean, SOB. And I would request our chief guest to kindly spare time for releasing our Vayuvek magazine, which they have started 3 years back. So there's a third issue which students requested me to request you to release that Vayuvek magazine, which is basically students' initiative, wherein they cover some write-ups from the alumni as well as industry people, and students also do write. So once again, I would like to congratulate the entire team to make this happen. I think other speakers, I've seen the kind of videos which Ms. Surbi has shown. So airport is a happening place. I think what I find, airport is a happening place, and our students have shown their visibility. They are the part of, I think, airport, airline, you name the airport or airline in India. In most of the metros, they are there. Even tier 2 city also, you'll find them working day and night. So logistics is the backbone, and aviation industry, I think the way our students have been contributing, not only now, I still remember Dr. Diwan used to share that our BBA guys were active in IGA T3 terminal airport also. So when they were looking for some trained manpower, that time our BBA aviation batch during T3 terminal also, they contributed to this modern airport, which is one of the world's best class in terms of customer services. It is one of the best airport considered in the world. So I think we have lined up few more sessions. Even student events are also lined up today. And we have Airport Authority of India Executive Director Ms. Sangeeta Mahai also. So I hope students are going to benefit from all these sessions. And otherwise, sometimes they are having monotonous sessions when they are going for only faculty member sessions. So this is for a change also. I hope they would they're already asking questions in the Q&A, and because of paucity of time, we are not able to meet their, request for answering. So we have requested alumni that if they can spare time and answer those queries later. So thank you once again, Ms. Pradita, and I hope you can continue the session further, and request the chief guest from our side if we can release the Vayu magazine also. Thank you very much.
I would request our honorable chief guest, Mr. Craig, sir, to please release the Vayuveg magazine.
I'm happy to do that. Sounds very exciting. Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Are we ready to go?
Yes, sir.
We invite Geeta ma'am also, Pradita. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes,
Good
sir.
afternoon, Dr. Anand.
For the release, we can invite other members who are present.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, sir. So now I would like to Hegde, Dean, School of Business, UPES. Ma'am has specialization in marketing management, sales and distribution, supply chain management, etc. She has been a part of various international and national conferences and has published 3 books and 40 research papers. She has also completed her executive education from Harvard Business School, Boston. Now I would like to request ma'am to deliver the address. Over to you, ma'am. Ma'am, I think the mic, you're not audible. Not taking much of your time. I think ma'am has been facing some net issues. We would, join with her later. So not taking much of your time, I would request Shreya to introduce our honorable chief guest. Over to you, Shreya.
Yeah, good morning, one and all present here. I consider it a great honor to welcome Mr. Craig Estridge, the Asia Pacific Regional Head, Commercial at the International Air Transport Association, ITA. ITA is the global airlines association representing over 290 airlines. ITA's mission is to lead, represent, and serve the airline industry. Sir is responsible for managing the commercial operations of ITA in Asia Pacific and is based in Singapore. ITA training is covered by his portfolio, and Mr. Craig is passionate about attracting young talent into the industry. Prior to joining ITA, he held senior roles for Singapore Airlines in the Asia Pacific region, based in New Zealand, Singapore, and Australia. He was educated in New Zealand and holds a Division I First Class Honours degree in business from Massey University. Now, I request Sir to please come and share his views. Over to you, Sir.
Great.
Pradita, I think if you can check with ma'am if she can speak, and then Mr. Craig can continue with the session. Sorry
Yes,
for
sir, sure.
interrupting.
Yes, sir, sure. Till then, sir, we can show our Vayuveg magazine, sir. Our team is uploading.
Okay.
Aditya and Manik, I think till then we can share some videos.
I request Aditya to stop sharing the screen so that I can put up the Vayuvek magazine. Thank you, Aditya.
Rishabh, Rarita, can you invite Dean ma'am, please? I think she has already joined. Can you invite her, please, for the release?
Yes,
Welcome,
sir.
ma'am.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Hi. Sorry.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning, and I think, Mr. Craig, hi. I'm in Dehradun, and happy to have you in our in this webinar. And I think it's an honor to have you. My name is Dr. Geeta Hegde. I don't know if one of you can. I think there is a.
Yes,
prior to
ma'am.
this,
Definitely, definitely.
So, yeah. Go ahead.
I would now
Raju.
like to welcome Dr. Geeta Hegde, Dean, School of Business, UPES. Ma'am has specialization in marketing management, sales and distribution, supply chain management. She has been part of various international and national conferences and has published over 3 books and 40 research papers. She has also completed her executive education from Harvard Business School, Boston. Now I would like ma'am to release our magazine. Our chief guest has already ma'am presented. Now we would like to
Yes.
yes ma'am. Sure ma'am, it is the 9th edition of our magazine.
Okay, so I would release. So is there anywhere I need to click, or I think I can't do that?
No
So
ma'am,
you can go ahead.
yeah ma'am, we'll scroll it for you.
Yes. Okay. Wonderful. Congratulations, team. And I think you've done a great job in doing the the coming out with the magazine. Yeah, congratulations.
Thank you ma'am. So we have collected various articles from alumni, from the faculty members,
Okay.
from our batch students. Yes ma'am.
Okay, so as we do our auditing, which is happening, our internal, the national level auditing for the university, I want you to keep copies, printed copies of all these as part of the transportation department documentation.
Sure ma'am, definitely.
Yeah, I think the faculty can help you.
Yeah, we have
I'm
kept few short copies also. We can have hard copies also. Yes.
Yes, keep hard copies, printed hard copies for
Yes,
the visit of the peer review visit that they will be doing. So yeah.
Yeah ma'am, this is a good 40.
Okay, I think you can stop that. Maybe I will just say a few words because I have to head for another meeting.
Yes ma'am, sure.
Yeah, and I also invite Mr. Craig, and I can see a huge list of speaker list and very, very accomplished speakers and speakers with the experience in the area of aviation.